What's good, world? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit this like button, because I'm not gonna make something you don't like. I'm glad to have you guys here because we are making something exciting today. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the most simple homemade pasta. Now, this is kind of an intimidating dish. Even if you've had years of experience cooking, it's still kind of scary to make your own pasta. But I will show you guys a foolproof recipe to make the best homemade pasta using ingredients that you probably have laying around at home. So what you'll need for this recipe is 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 eggs, doesn't matter white or brown, salt and pepper, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You also need a rolling pin, the more you knead your dough, the chewier it'll be when you eat the pasta. Then cover it with plastic wrap and refrigerate it for 30 minutes or until the dough sets and becomes firm. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. I took the dough out of the fridge and now we're ready to roll it. Again, you need a rolling pin with flour on the surface to avoid sticking. We're gonna try to get this as thin as possible. I cut the dough into 4 quadrants. wipe the bowl out. Oh my god, oh my god. So good. You guys have to go try this. Like legit, it's the easiest pasta recipe. It's quick. Give this recipe a try. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.